So what is up guys, welcome to HD Tech YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you the latest news regarding Redmi K30 Pro. So guys, we all know about the Redmi K30 smartphone that was launched 1 month ago. In December of 2019, Xiaomi launched the Redmi K30 smartphone, and that technically is a great smartphone. So guys, the key highlight of the Redmi K30 has to be couple of factors. First is the camera. You're getting a quad camera array from which the main camera is of 64 megapixels. Second factor has to be that you're getting a dual front facing shooters. Okay, you're getting dual selfie shooters at the front, which is again a good factor or the bad factor which I will discuss, but you're getting that. And also you're getting a stunning design. Okay, at the back you're getting a glassy gradient look towards it, but that is good. But what the Redmi K20 smartphone was famous for, and that was the display. So guys, the Redmi K20 and the K20 Pro brought a AMOLED display, and that too a bezel-less one. Okay, the Redmi K20 and the K20 Pro had a pop-up selfie shooter, and that was very interesting. Okay, a year ago that was considered as a primary or just a way more premium feature to find with the flagship smartphones, and the Redmi K20 had that under 25,000 Indian rupees, and hence this smartphone became very famous. And guys, we all were hyped and excited that their successor or the Redmi K20 successor, the Redmi K30, will bring something better. But what this smartphone brought was just it added the dual selfie shooters, and what the company has to say, and that is like the pop-up mechanism is way more expensive, and also it is not matured enough. Okay, it is good to see, but overall I want to say like the OnePlus. Okay, OnePlus launched the OnePlus 7 Pro with a pop-up selfie camera, and it was having a gorgeous 99+% display. Okay, it is always good to have the best display, and that also with no interruption. Okay, nowadays the upcoming OnePlus 8, the OnePlus 8 Pro, the OnePlus 8 Lite, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and all of the smartphones which are coming are having the hole punch display. Okay, the hole punch is considered as a premium factor, no problem about that, but it is just, it's always better to have the full display rather than there being a hole punch. And hence guys, I personally want to say like OnePlus and just like Xiaomi and all of the companies are downgrading the smartphones, and hence guys, Xiaomi also got this with the sales of the Redmi K30, and hence with the Redmi K30 Pro, Xiaomi is going to be launching the new design. Okay, they are going to be again opting for the entire display, or you can say a bezel-less display with a pop-up selfie camera. So guys, the Redmi K30 Pro is going to be coming with the Snapdragon 865 processor, the latest and the greatest processor from Snapdragon. And just let me tell you, like I personally bought the Realme X smartphone on the day of launch of the Realme X2. Okay, when the Realme X2 was launched, I personally went to shop and then I ordered the smartphone online. But when I was planning to buy the Realme X smartphone, the X2 was in the market. But I went for the Realme X smartphone just because the thing that you will look the most in a smartphone is the display. Okay, in every single operation, you will use the display for the most. It doesn't matter whether the camera is of this much megapixels or the body is made of aluminium or glass, but the thing that you will look every single time is the display. And hence guys, like the pop-up camera might be a little less durable thing in a smartphone, but definitely getting a full display is a great one. So guys, I hope that you have liked today's video. In today's video, I wanted to say like every single time full display is better than the punch hole camera. And guys, the Redmi K30 Pro smartphone is going to be coming with a bezel-less display with a pop-up camera and with Snapdragon 865 processor. So if you have liked today's video, if there is going to be any other update regarding this smartphone, then I am definitely covering it up. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then please consider subscribing to our channel, as it really motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.